Hey everyone, welcome to Dad's RC Workbench. Got a couple more packages for this week. Different projects. Two things from Amazon. Got this 3M tape from Costco. There's 5 rolls for $8, so that's pretty good. I'm using it for my printer bed, 3D printer bed, and to mask off RC bodies. And it's 3M brand. So that's good over like something cheap like Harbor Freight, just sticks better. So let's open up these packages. Let's see here. There we go. We got the Enduro ISF kit for my Gatekeeper, and then I'm going to put the front axle of my Gatekeeper on the back of my Enduro to make a 4-wheel steer, and then I'm going to put the back axle of the Enduro onto my SCX10 my SCX10II, because I found some parts where the splines on the axles, on one of the rear axles, kind of stripped. So instead of buying new axle housings, which I might do in the future, just to get it up and running, I'm going to put it the rear axle from the Enduro on the back of the SCX10 to get it just up and going. So looking forward to this. I know it's going to drive different, but I think it'll be a fun challenge. I know there's people have mixed opinions on it, ISF or straight axle, so it'll be interesting. Look forward to that. Put that to the side, and let's open up this. Trying it out, a little higher camera angle. So, got these I think they're Benedict Arnold branded brass C-hubs for the SCX10II off Amazon, I think for $18. Like I said on a previous video, on my Frankenstein SCX10 video, that I was having issues with a strip screw that I couldn't get out, so I just upgraded to brass instead of buying the plastic stock pieces for this. So I think this will work really good. And then with the Enduro rear axle, I think it'll be up and running. I hope. We'll see. So yeah, that's it. It's kind of a small mailbag this week. But yeah, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Have a good one.